Hi, Marilyn here with Cotton and Chocolate Quilt Company, and we thought it was time to give you a little bit of a view of what's new happening at our shop. So of course we have our spring and summer newsletter out, and you might have gotten an email, or we do have our great newsletter that's at the shop. So we have lots of new fun classes happening and clubs, and Jerry just gave you a great scan of all the new things that are up that you can take a look at that are hanging at the shop. And I thought I'd give you a quick inside glimpse of some of the new things that we have at the shop that you might want to come in and take a look at. So we have lots and lots of new cut goods. So we cut our candy bar strips. We have some kind of Valentine-y sweetheart strips. We have some wonderful dots, and we have some other great blossom colorways sitting right here. We have the great new Quilt Sampler magazine out for spring and summer, and that features 10 shops and great patterns that go along and kits with that, and then the new Quilts and More magazine. And we always get lots and lots of new boutiques in. So our boutique area all the way to the back is overflowing with luscious new brand new boutiques. And then we cut what we call little 6-packs. So we have little strip packs that consist of 6 5-inch rolls with the fabric. And what can you do with those? Well, we have lots of patterns for cut goods, so you can cut those into 2.5-inch strips, mix and match those for lots and lots of fun quilts. So we keep those in colorways, and we have those all through our boutique section. So I'm going to take you up to the front, and this is where we always feature a lot of our new products. So you will see many, many new spring and summer fabrics coming in our new area. Lots of jelly rolls, layer cakes, cut goods. We have Riley Blake fabrics here, Moda. As you look over here, we just got French General, a beautiful new line in with the layer cakes and some new Moda lines. And then here we have this fun new placemat kits, and I'm going to be teaching a class on that. I know, it's really fun. So this is for fun placemats, and I'm using this great fusible cut to shape scallop set, and then it has 4 sets in there, or of course you can cut your own as well. So that's a really great project, and I have a sample hanging in the shop. And then we have lots more Moda cut goods here from the beautiful line, and then that's one of our kits from that line also hanging up here. And all that looks like applique is actually pre-printed, so you don't even have to do applique. We have another beautiful kit up here, and that's from this Love Lily line, and a great pre-cut kit from Cherry Lemonade from In the Beginning, and that was a line we had out a while ago. And then they pre-cut strips, so all the strips are cut for you, and then you have some border in there also, and then we have some fun bolts on hand, couple 3 or 4 bolts for backing. So that's a really, really fun kit in hand. And then we've always cut our own little snack bars, and these consist of 10 2.5-inch strips and a lot of fun colorways. And here's our own pattern by Jerry, and it's called Color Bars. And so he's designed this quilt made out of all of our all of our strips. And will be teaching this as well. So that's a really, really fun spring and summer quilt, easy to make, and he teaches you. And all you have to do is add a background to get that put together. And then right next to him, if you see this, we've always had project bags, and now we have a new colorway for Cotton and Chocolate, and we have 3 sizes out, a small craft size, and then a medium, and then a couple of different large sizes. Love these, and that fits, these medium ones will fit books and rulers and all kinds of things in here, patterns, and then all your projects in there. So come and get them while we have them, right? And then we do have more color strips over here, so you can see all of our different colorways and boutiques, and a lot of jelly rolls happening, and a great kit called Smooth Sailing, and this is one of our Deb Tucker kits, and you can kind of sing it hanging up here in the background. So lots of fun things to come in and look at. More summer prints along here. And then if you walk here, you'll see that we're starting to get a lot of Americana fabrics. New lines just came in from Moda up here. And to my left here is we handle all in one area patterns that are for cut goods. Charm packs, layer cakes, which are 10-inch squares, and also fat quarters.
And jelly
we
rolls.
keep those, and jelly rolls, all in one area, so that you can take a look at that. Over in this area, we have lots of Tilde fabrics that have come in, some new beach line, and so all of her other lines, and they all coordinate together. So, and then the cotton beach line, like I just said, so, and some pattern ideas. So lots of things happening with Tilde, and they're just gorgeous and fun to work with. And then we have been working on getting more collection of lots of dots, so that you can really add those to your background and coordinates throughout the shop. And then to the right are lots and lots of fun, beachy looking prints and water prints. So if you have anything in mind, or take one of our pattern party patterns that we have hanging up, and make one of these great quilts, and then add a dot for one of your backgrounds. And we also have now a full line of blossoms by Riley Blake, from darks to colorful ones, and then tons of the background line. So you can really work with a lot of those colorways. So we have lots and lots of things happening, and always lots of new kits going on. And then in the corner of our shop, where we used to have just sale fabrics, we've actually added a whole holiday area. Some of the fabrics are sale fabrics from last season, and then some of them are mixed in brand new fabrics that are coming in now. And so it's a real fun mixture, and you'll see kits going in and out. So they're here now. If you want to get a fresh start on the holidays, you can. So please come in, take a look at what we have, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.